Hello, it's Rachel. Today's project is a mixed media tag and I'm starting here on some smooth white cardstock, applying 3 different shades of Dylusions Colour Wash Spray. Once the spray has dried, I'm taking a background stamp by Stampin' Up. This is called French Script, and I'm stamping over my tag using Archival ink in the colour Violet. Next, I want to add some stenciling to my tag in a contrasting colour. So for this, I've chosen a Crafters Workshop stencil called Mini Peony, and I'm using it with some gesso. I'm applying this using a piece of Ranger cut and dry foam. For the focal image on my tag, I've chosen a stamp by Stampotique. I'm stamping this first onto some lightweight cardstock so that I can colour it from there, and then I also stamp it onto my tag so that I can judge where the placement is going to be, and so that any details that I cannot cut out because they're too intricate will also appear on the tag. To colour my Stampotique image, I've chosen some Derwent Inktense pencils, and the colours here are Thistle and Deep Blue. I've also chosen a second Stampotique stamp. This is a flower stamp, and I'm stamping this again onto my tag using VersaFine ink in Onyx Black. This is something that I wouldn't normally recommend over any kind of acrylic or gesso, but I have used it before over this particular brand of gesso and it will dry on that. Next, I'm taking a micron pen, and this is just to give some ground and the illusion of some grasses. To attach my focal image, I'm using some golden matte medium, and I am being quite careful with this because obviously the background and the focal image both have water soluble components to them. To colour the tiny flowers that I stamped onto the tag, I've chosen to use some liquid pearls in the colour Baby Blue. For a sentiment on my tag, I'm using Tim Holtz Small Talk stickers. This one says, leave a little sparkle wherever you go, and I'm colouring it with the Thistle shade of Inktense pencil that I used to also colour the focal image. Once this has dried, I cut it up, attach it to my tag, and then I outline it with the other Inktense pencil that was the deep blue shade. Next, I want to add some tiny stars to the tag. I'm going to apply these with some soft gel medium, and I've chosen 2 different shades of Martha Stewart iridescent stars. After the stars are dried, I'm outlining the tag using the deep blue Inktense pencil, which I then activate with water, and then the final thing to do is to punch a hole through the tag and add some fibres. That is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button or leave me a comment. If you require a full product list, there is a link to that in the video description, as well as my Facebook Mixed Media Challenge group and my other social media sites.